welcome back to our channel. We are here to introduce you a new powerful strategy on how to trade in forex trading, especially for those who are just started the journey. It's very important to watch how to do it, and if you can master this strategy, I promise you guys, you will stop losing trading and you will stop crying in forex trading. This strategy we created with only using 3 time frames. Why? Because we discover there is nothing confusing a trader more than time frames. So to master the time frames is very important in trading. And if you can master the using time frames, you will make a successful trade. So here we are going to start. Here is the H4 time frame, and in this H4 time frame we only want to use supply and demand to identify the market. As you are seeing, we are drawing. We already place our resistance level, and the resistance level we place, we consider the previous 2 candles, and these bullish candles that we're indicating are the candles that we consider before we place our resistance. So here we have a 3 bullish candle which take the market goes up little. So now also we are going to place a support. So guys, whenever you enter the H4 time frame, you have to consider the previous 3 candles or 2 candles, because you cannot trade all the candles. That is the major thing that are confusing the trader while trading. So now we consider these 3 bullish candles, and we place our support resistance. So after you find a support or resistance in H4, guys, you need to switch to the M30. So here is the M30. That is 30-minute time frame. So in this 30-minute time frame, you can see how the market react between this our supply and demand. Here the market form a double top. The double top in the market is a sign of the reversal, and here the market form a double bottom and it goes up. If you look at carefully, you can see the market is trending up little here. So now you can also here you can do some analysis in this M30. Don't forget guys, we started from H4. We used the only 3 previous candles. So here you are to also place a support. This support is very important. Then you should also add another one to place it here. You have to place it here. It's also very important. So after you place it, you need another additional things to complete a analysis in this M30. This is M30 time frame, guys. Now we are looking for how to find the real direction of the market. As we told you, the market is trending up little here. Now we're gonna show you why the market is trending up, and you got the real picture of the uptrend now. So here you have to place a trend line spot, because it will give you the real picture of the uptrend market in this level. After you place it here, you should also add a resistance trend line. please don't forget, you should not force a trend, or else it will beat the hell out of you, or it will bounce back on you. So guys, we place our resistance trend lines and the spot trend lines properly. So if you look at the inside carefully, you can see how the market is trending up. So guys, calm down. This trade is all about the coming down. So here in our resistance, the market also form a double top, if you can see it, and then it reverse. We are expecting to break and reach our major spot level. Yes, we are expecting the breakout. So now we are also going to make it clear to you, so that you will get what we're trying to explain clearly to you. So we don't want any of you to feel overconfidence for doing this. So we are expecting the market to reach this level, as we told you. Now we wanted to make a clear picture for you. We are trying to draw a predicted move of the market. So now we are predicting the move. We are expecting the market to go this way. Yes, we are expecting the market to go this way. So guys, once the market break down our spots, you are expected to enter the market and place your TP at this our major spot level. And then don't forget, we are always telling you the market is not your friend. No matter how you feel good you are in trading, the market could also make a first breakout and goes back up like this, as we indicated. So in this case, that's why always we are suggesting you to use your stop loss. Since you are not a market maker, stop loss is always very important in trading, because it is always limited our losses. So guys, now we have done with M30. Now we are switching to the M5. You have two options. You can switch to the M5, you can switch to the M15. So now we back in M15. Here is M15 time frame. That is mean 15-minute time frame. So in this 15-minute time frame, you can see how the market react in our analysis that we made in M30. Here also we are still trying to look the big picture that will confirm the market will go to downtrend. So here, if you look at carefully, we have the head and shoulder in this 15 minutes time frame, and here we are going to indicate you the head and shoulder that we're talking about would be found in 15 minutes. You can switch to the different time frame and see how the market reacts in your analysis. So now we are back in M15. Our head and shoulder, here is the head, here is the shoulder, here is the shoulder. So after the forming of the shoulder, we are expecting the downtrend to our major spot level. So guys, as we told you, if you look at carefully, in our resistance, in our M30 resistance, you can see the double top formed at our resistance level. So that indicators, or that give us a good sign the market is going to downtrend. So it is also our confirmation. So now let's go back to the hedge fund so that you can see where we find all those analysis. Here is the hedge fund time frame. You see what we're trying to tell you. So even here you have to judge yourself the analysis whether it is right or not. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos and strategies.